Hello everybody and welcome back to Storytelling with Dashi. Sorry for not uploading my videos since a few months. Actually, I was really busy with my schoolwork, but now that vacation is here, you will get my regular videos. And those of you who kept your subscriptions, thank you so much. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Today's story is going to be Arjun and the Bird's Eye. So let's begin. The Pandavas and the Kauravas had been sent to Guru Drona for their education. So they went to Gurukul, which basically means boarding school. One day, Dronacharya decided to test his students. He put a wooden bird on a branch of a tree and told his students to have their bows and arrows ready with them. So he started the test by calling the oldest amongst all of them, Yudhishthir. Drona asked as Yudhishthir aimed, "Yudhishthir, what do you see?" Then Yudhishthir replied, "Sir, I can see the sky, I can see the bird on the tree. There's an ant pile, and if I shoot the bird will fall in the ant pile and the ants will die." Drona told Yudhishthir to step back with his bow and arrow. Confused, Yudhishthir did so, and Duryodhan was the next person to come. So Duryodhan aimed his arrow, and Drona asked him the same question. "Duryodhan, what do you see?" And Duryodhan replied, "Sir, I can see the birds and I can see every bird. Just give me the order and I will shoot it right now." So Drona also told him to step back. Next, Bhim came and was asked the same question from Drona. "Bhim, what do you see?" Then Bhim replied, "Sir, I can see the sky. I can see some delicious, yummy fruits. I also see some birds sitting with other birds beside it." So Drona also told him to step back. Then came Arjuna with his bow and arrow. He was asked the same question from Drona. "Arjun, what do you see?" Arjun replied, "Sir, I can only see the black eye of the bird, nothing else." Hearing Arjun's answer, Drona was pleased and told him to shoot. So Arjun shot his arrow and it hit directly in the bird's eye. Everyone was shocked. Then Drona said, "Students, this is the power of concentration." Yudhishthir had quality of a king and was concerned for other things that would happen if he shot the bird. Duryodhan was angry and impatient. He didn't focus and just wanted to hit the bird. Bhim was foodie and only thought about food. He didn't pay close attention on the bird's eye. Arjun only focused on the bird's eye, nothing else. So the moral of the story is to always focus and concentrate on your target to achieve success. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe. Please like and share with others. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos.